comes naturally. And it is also known as the evolution algorithm. Our evolutionary algorithm, it is part of the evolutionary algorithm, or you can say genetic algorithm. There are many algorithms, particle swarm optimization, there are many algorithms. All algorithms main target to optimize the solution, to find the bestest possible solution. Usually we have too many solutions, okay? For example, you can pass a course, but with just 50% mark, this does not make good sense. But if you pass it with some grace, 4 out of 4 GB, then it does some, okay? Same is the target, okay? My target is you should get 4 out of 4 GB in this course, and this is this concept of mitosis, or you can say somewhere mitosis, exist in almost all of natural organisms. You can say whatever the human, whatever the animal, whatever the bird, whatever the species, plants, everything, except the viruses. Somehow because there is some braking system, so it does not exist in the viruses. But except viruses, this algorithm following all the everything algorithm natural So this is not in our discussion, just forget about it. We are going to talk about mitosis in our genetic algorithm. If we talk furthermore about the genetic, this comes from the genes, and the genes, if we are talking, this is the somehow somatic or our body cells everywhere, in our blood cell, white cell, in our skin cells, everywhere. And if for example, any one, if I am talking about any single cell, this is somehow can store or can provide us the structure of DNA. And of course, this cell is having some kind of a nucleus in it, and nucleus works like a neuron, like the artificial intelligence activation cell. I told you in the somehow weight parameters are somehow these are the features of certain features extracted in the order is given to it, but this works like a nerve cell or neuron cell. Each single cell of the mitosis, you can say over here. So if we are talking about the single cell, and microscopic view of it, or you can say is having two chromosomes, one the mummy chromosomes, another is the daddy chromosomes. One from the mother side, other from the red from the mother side, the blue from the father side. Just please stay tuned. So further, what's happened in order to production, birth purpose, everything, in the human concepts, we can say mating, or you can say that the further. Then we are getting the similar pattern, similar body of the two self, after breaking. This is the breaking. So once they will unite, and then we are getting the similar copy of the original cells, fused cells. Now these cells for chromosomes become a thread. Yes, sir. Thread, you can say that now the unity once 2%, for example, integrate in order to give birth, like children. So what happens? They fuse, and once they fuse, then identity will be lost, and it will these chromosomes will become a thread. You can notice this thread. The what threads become this is known as a mito here, mitose. And from the, it is the meaning of this is thread layer. Thread. So we are getting that copy of two cells from the one single cell. So here is a further parent cell division, and basically what happens? Nucleus is dividing. The division is happening in the nucleus, and we are getting the two daughter cells, and each daughter cell is just here we are using the term daughter, not a son. That basically mean the similar thing. So yeah, I don't want to intervene in the nature's God. Sometimes blessed Okay, if we are talking about the human, sometimes a son, sometimes daughter, sometimes none. Okay, this is no one can judge even till today.
Yes, sir.
This is the being a spiritual father. I would like to tell you, none of us can intervene in the nature. Okay, please.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So thank you for understanding. So the cell I am talking, for example, there is some you can say that scratch on the arm. You can say healing process.
Yes, sir. Scar.
Okay, scar can be repaired, can be healed by itself. However, with the help of mitosis process, because the side by skins are producing the copies, replica of the skins.
Yes, sir.
So this is damaged cells, and damaged cells are repaired. So replaced by the new cells. Our growth and development. This our growth and development not only in the skin cells, from our childhood to our grown-up stages. This things are happening. Mitosis things are happening. Basically, what happened? Genetic algorithms are working. So being a human or in the artificial intelligence, they people conceive this concept of the genetic algorithm that the replication like the mimicking of the human brain can be done with the help of genetic algorithms. So tissues are organs are developed, grow up, so become stronger and healthier, and similarly we control the situation like thing. So basically, if I conclude this mitosis process of a cell division, two identical daughter cells, kind of the genetic materials, the reproduction materials, or you can say that the mimicking materials. In our for optimizing purpose, in the healing process, what happened? The damaged cells are repaired by itself, not itself, basically optimized. So they repaired. So basically, this is the equation division. And if we are talking about the equation division, you can say that in this mitosis process, this is very simple. Let me explain. For example, in the for example, this is the dad, father side cell, the features, features x1, x2, x3, xn. These are the features, in the father. If I am talking about the mother side, so there are also features x1, x2, x3, xn. You can say that this is somehow parents' side. Of course, once these two fuse, so what will happen? We are getting two offspring cells, replica. Yeah, just one day unite. Two. You are not getting it. Mother side and father side, both will unite.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Thank you for understanding. Okay, good. I will appreciate. But now our so we will get some kind of offspring like thing. Here.
Make it voice.
Yeah, you can further. We can go write it like this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Make some changes.
So it's this is somehow let me explain. In our matrix, we are having a element of the matrix. A11, A12, A13. So we need to write it like this.
X1.
One one, 1 2 1 3 1 n. Similarly, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 n. So offspring, of course, because if I am considering the x1, why I change here? Because if x1, x1, both are the similar, So I want to make it a distinguish somehow. So here y1, y1 2, y1 3, 1 n. I'm sorry. No, thank you so much. Okay, actually, this one is the, yeah, a little bit excited to finish the, actually, like a little bit long, but I will try to do best. This one is the second one, this is the first one. First one, okay, start from the 1, 1. Okay, this one is the second one, it will start from the 2.
Yes.
So, this is now here the first one, okay, now second one. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. These are, you can say, offsprings. Yes, please.
सर ये जो वाइस ऑफस्प्रिंग का
Yes, these are the offspring.
खाली एक ही तो आ सकते हैं दूसरे दो हैं
Yes.
सर ये ट्विंस हैं वाई वाइन होंगे ना
Yes.
सर पॉसिबल है कि आप सिंगल भी कर सकते
No, 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 no. Always two. Yes. Split. Okay. Split two. Let me explain this thing, but I think this is not the main topic here. Anyhow, there are some alpha. Okay. These are the constant value in it.
अल्फा रिप्रेजेंट
Yeah, alpha, let me explain. Because I will start to walk at some things. Because you want to determine the nature, okay, it belongs to the, okay, male or the female or so like this. Let me explain this. One index, alpha 1, x,
Yes, sir.
yeah, 1 I
Yes, sir.
plus somehow 1 minus alpha. This, okay, this one starting from the first feature value, considering this is the weight parameter line.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
W, sir.
Okay. So you should stay here. Okay, weight parameter in this situation, always first feature will have a strong, okay, values of the weight, then of course it will be reduced step by step. For example, you people are, okay, getting up after a good nap, good sleep, you are full of energy, then after struggling hard, okay, till evening you are getting tired. So this is the, okay, step by step weight meter is reducing its size. So the first feature, okay, so like it is going the weight, so here the
वेट ज़्यादा कैसे करते हैं?
Okay, let me explain the reason here. Second offspring, if you are considering this one, then okay, first offspring you can consider it's the male one, the second one is the female one, and in this situation you can say it's the yes.
X2 I sir
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Now, in first case, my child, what is your name? Sorry. Subhan. Here, what will happen? If the weight feature, if we are considering the weight feature, okay, just you can say that this one, this is the index, okay, or you can say the binary index, 1 or 0. If it's a 1, then what will happen? You will, if you are considering, okay, this is the belong to 0, 1. Okay, if you are considering this 1, what will happen? This will become 0, you will get only this one. Are you getting my point? Your question was there that it's one output, okay? So, and here if it's the 1, you will get, of course, in the case of 0, what will happen? This will become 0 and this will become 0. In both the cases, you will get the unique outcomes. Okay? Further, you can study this concept. Basically, as I told you people, in this, with the help of genetic algorithm, the main target is to optimize the solution. Solution is there. Here we don't need to determine the solution. We need to optimize, we need to determine the bestest one. Okay? Let me explain it a little bit. I think it's not a difficult one, but... So, very easier and interesting. Okay, for example, if we are start considering the genetic algorithm mechanism, first of all we need to see the individuals, or we need to see the populations. Populations can be a good, can be a bad. Okay, for example, belong to some particular tribe, particular region, particular hilly area, very strong. Okay, or some sophisticated area. Okay, center of the capital. Okay, definitely due to certain. Pollution, okay, not very healthy and strong. So you can say that's the collection of individuals. Yes, please, Irfan. Yes. Yes, you can present. So right now, time is short. Okay, time is short. Please. Okay. You are good. Yeah, I know, but sometime next class we will go. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Clap it for Irfan. So, this is the concept of the biological concept, that people can be stronger, people can be healthier, people can be weaker or whatsoever. In the algorithms, computing domain, for example, last day we played the chess. If we are considering only the queens, there is a certain states, okay? States of the queens can be stronger, can be weaker, okay, in any phases. Are you getting my point? The main theme is this: you need to make your queen strongest so that you can win the game. Are you getting the point or not? So that for example, this is the 8 queen problem. Okay, my son can explain very well, better than me. That you need to arrange that none of queens can be attacked by the other one. Okay, this is the one of the mechanism. 8. This is the 8 queen problem. Please go through to it if you want to further study. I don't know if then. Okay. Similarly, like if I'm talking about the DNA structure, as I told you people, the strongest, healthiest, not disease one is less prone to be attacked by the germs or somehow viral diseases. So if we are talking about the algorithms, we need to determine such a schema. You can say that in order to get the best fit. For example, if you are considering the first this one top row, if there is no, then there is a very less chance to win. Okay, but if there are in the second, in this situation, the diagonal, you can say that a very easy chance to win, or you can say the bestest fit, the winning situation. You need to optimize this one, and if you are considering you want to approach the final solution, you need to approach the way in which you can get the winning way. Are you getting my point? If the person is weak, then he cannot become a successful leader or successful athlete or successful player like this. So in our algorithm, we need to make some kind of, for example, in tic-tac-toe, we need to make a model, we need to make an algorithm in which we can get we can maximize the winning chances. For this biology also, you can say that among the species, for example, there are the monkeys, there are the gorillas, there are the humans. Why Almighty Allah said in the Holy Quran that humans are the supreme creatures? Because we are the bestest among the all the creatures, and responsibilities are attained to us, provided to us to serve the world. So similarly, this algorithm, in case we can say selecting the states which are last day. Sorry, what's your name?
Hassan Javed.
Hassan Javed won the game. So sorry, Still, sorry, you people are leave. Okay, that's okay. I'm so sorry. I don't want to waste the time. Okay, so near to win the, okay, or you can say that the trick, okay, for example, in the short span of time, you can win the game. Strategies. Closest to, okay, winning, okay, this is the theme. Or similarly, if we are talking about this one, okay, this one is talking about selection. I was talking about the selection of the population, selection of the people, selection of the algorithm, selection of the design. So, if we are talking about the crossover, in crossover there is a mating or the, okay, reproducing. For example, if I am in the conductor, best conductor, if I want to pass the electricity from the wood, it may not do, but from the iron, from the copper, it will go in the fastest possible way. Okay, are you getting with the mating or the reproducing of electricity from, okay, by transition from one point to another point, we will use the material which is the best one. Okay, similarly like this, in the algorithm, we will interchange values between selected states. Selected state, it should not be selected, the wood should not be selected. If there is a wood, we need to change or we need to alternate with the copper for the best test. Okay, for the normal situation, we can use the iron, but iron is not a good conductor. Okay, simple. So, for getting the best, though electricity can be passed via iron, but you know for the most efficient or the minimum loss of the electricity, okay, current, you need to use the copper. Okay, so this is the crossover concept. So mutation in the biology, or you can say somewhere, okay, due to maybe certain disease, okay, my liver, or the, for example, I'm visiting somewhere in the to the glacier sides, okay, ice, okay, the frost. You can say that my limbs are not working out due to lack of protein. We are not sitting in front of sunlight. No vitamin D. Of course, this genes can be, okay, break down, and our health can be getting worse and worse. So the situations, okay, this variation can be happened, and this is the, you can say, the mutation. If, for example, the people who are living in the Antarctica or somewhere, okay, where no sun, what they do, they are getting the supplement, or they are getting the vitamin D capsules, okay, tablets, or some kind of medicine. This is the concept in the algorithm. Similarly, where there is the natural thing is not happening easily, okay, we need artificially or by choice we can do, or we can, okay, mutation, mutate, okay. This mutant doesn't. This I am not talking about the silence, okay. I am talking about the changing, okay, or you are altering something, okay, with your on your choice. This is the important concept.
टेबल कैसा?
Sorry, please, you did not get it.
टेबल जो पीछे आपने दो.
Sorry, where, my child?
ये दो से A5.
This one? Okay, I am so sorry. It's my fault. Okay, I missed it. For example, this is the healthy. Okay, in the a moment ago, I used the mathematical because computer understand the binary language, good or it's bad. One good or the zero bad, or zero good or the one bad, whatsoever. So, for example, this one is some kind of a thing, but technically, what we want, we require that if this place should be zero, okay, this place should be zero, and this both place should be one. So, we intentionally, by our choice, according to the need, we change this 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. I told you that we are getting the supplement where there no vitamin D, no sunlight. We are taking the, normally if we are all day sitting in the sunlight, we have sufficient vitamin D, we don't need to take the supplement, but in case we need a supplement, then we will take the medicine in order to survive or not. Alternate solution, okay, and by choice we can do it, okay, we can change. This is the mutation. Understand the table, please? Thank you so much, my child. So, in the quint problem, Ashit can help us further. Okay, for example, there are the 7 steps. Okay, representing individuals. Okay, of course, generating an initial population start from where you are starting the game in the chess, and further applying a fitness function where it can. Okay, you need to best approach. You will go with the best approach, strongest approach. If you will use the weak approach, then other will attack on you. Okay, you will be dismissed, and game will over. Selecting parents from wedding in according to their fitness. Okay, you will choose among the other. Okay, for example, queen, for example, king, for example. Okay, many you need to choose the bestest which is need in the situation. So class number of parents to produce new generation. I told you a moment ago. Class number. Sometimes you need to change. Okay, you need to alter something or mutation of new generation to bring diversity. Diversity, for example, if I am not stronger. Okay, I am living even though. Some people are using the people like me, okay, not very beautiful, okay, they are doing cosmetic surgeries like things. They are all these things. To bring the diversity, to look smart, okay, please try to. Yeah, don't okay. Repeat until solution is reached. For example, one time I got a plastic surgery, but my appearance does not match with the iconic superstar model. Okay, then I will go again. Okay, under the knife. This is the situation again and again, my daughter. This is the situation. Okay, repeat until solution is reached. Means the optimize the bestest possible solution you require. Okay, so thank you so much. Then, if let's representing the individual, let me start with the help of chess game. Last day we played, for example, only queens. Okay, the 8 queens are there. For example, see. We need this one. This is the my child. Don't be confused. This is the position. Okay. Last day 1 A B C. We have very short time. I am really sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. My children 3. The second one going 2. Other one is the 7 5 2 4 4 1 1. Is it okay? Okay. Table is clear. Please don't be confused. Okay. So in the artificial intelligence, we are usually considering an array, okay? An array, or you can say that whatsoever, I don't need to explain it, you studied a lot. Okay, let's, maybe Ashad tricks are different to start the game. Maybe Siam tricks are different. Many, for example, there are the 4 players, okay? Each can start in a different way. And this, for example, okay, this is the combination you can go. Or for example, maybe start, they go to the some mechanism and they get this. And this table is what? These are the values of the arrangement of the queen. You should not be confused. Should I proceed to the next?
Yes.
Okay. Individual, okay, if we have this setup, fit the number of non-attacking pairs. In this, Ashad, this, okay, where the queen can attack in the diagonal?
Anywhere, sir, anywhere.
Anywhere. Okay, so the problem is this. Here, let me explain the situation, okay? The first queen, here please, the queen, okay, at the position 3, the first queen, can be attacked, okay? How many times? Ashit, can you notice please? 6 times or not?
Non-attacking 6, yes ma'am.
6?
Yes ma'am.
6. Okay, let me explain. This one, this queen can go back? No. So attack how many? 0. Are you getting my point? Ashit, please help me, my son.
Sir, वो non-attacking है, sir.
Yes.
सर इसमें सर हम पहली क्वीन लेंगे उसको चेक करेंगे कितने को अटैक कर
Yes.
फिर उसमें 6 से अटैक के साथ बाकी जो अच्छे हैं वो नॉन अटैक है
Yes, this is the thing I mentioned here. In the queen 1 can be attacked by 6, the 2, 5. Okay, last one I told you the queen 8, 7 and 8 both are in a non-attacking position.
Yes, sir.
So 0 attack possibility. Ashton, not agree? My son.
सर बोर्ड पे इसको
Yeah, this is 8 queen problem, maybe a little bit different. Please, if you don't mind, you should go through to it. I think this is the little bit strategy only queens are using. So maybe this is the, because I studied this and they told that though in this situation, attacking pair basically not possible with 8. Non-attacking pair. Okay? Anyhow, this is the, now you understand the theme of this slide. You can go and investigate it by yourself that this is correct or not correct. Please do it by yourself. This arrangement, this is the numbering position, everything is clear? My son, table is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now individual, please here. This one, we can notice here. We need to sum up. 4, 5, 6, okay, 6, 5, 11, 11, 4, what? 15, 15, 3, what?
21
20? So 23. So this case 24, this case 11, this case 20. We need to sum up all. We we need to determine the bestest possible solution. There are the 4 possible solutions. We need to see the bestest possible. What we need to do, we need to sum. These are the fitness. Fitness means that we are considering the 4 person among the class who can run. Because there are 4 possible. Yes, please, you want to ask some question, my son? Okay, there are 4 possibilities, 4 solutions. Abdul Basir, we need to determine the bestest solutions. Among the 4 solutions, we get the percentages. We need to sum up all, and then we determine the percentage, because among 4, who is the bestest? So we get the percentages. This one, 29, 31, 14, 26. Is it clear to everyone, please? Irfan will explain in the next lecture, maybe better than me, much better than me, of course, I'm pretty sure.
Yes.
But for this, okay, try to grab the idea a little bit. Okay, selection. Now, selection, okay. Of course, this is the many. Sometimes you can ask, you want to select the strongest person among the 4. You say run. You say push-ups, you say high-ups, whatsoever, chin-ups. There are technical, okay, many methods to determine the, okay, to know about the strength of any person, okay, at least like this, I'm talking just about this. So, of course, there are many, these are the methods, okay. These are kind of things you can go through it by yourself. I will share with it. So, here, now, what will you do, basically? In case of final selection, there is some kind of wheel. For example, we are the 29%, okay, 31%, 14%, 26%. Give some kind of a pie graph, okay. In pie graph, you can, what you need to do, you need to see the here, okay, opponents. For example, if I am considering Ashad and his brother, maybe very near to one another. Okay, Sam. Just for God's sake, Mark. Please, we have short time. Two brothers, okay? One is having that 29%, other is having a 31%. Very close. Features, okay, technical features of the winning features, both may have the similar. Okay, very close. So what we will do, we will consider the opposite. Not the, not this blue one, not this red one. If we are considering the B, then we will see the opposite of this. What, for what purpose? For diversity. Okay, once I was in Korea in 2010, the Korean boys and girls talking, if someone asked them to whom they will marry, they said no cousin marriage is allowed. Why? Because they want diversity. On curiosity base, I asked the question, maybe you will belong to some. No. They said that we want to marry with the foreigner. Why? We want hybrid children. Because hybrid, come on, grown-up people. Why? Listen, please, listen. Why? They said that, for example, eye structure of the Korean are different than the maybe American or Canadian. Okay, IQ level may be different. Though 1-2% will make up. Okay, so the features will be enhanced. Diversity will be improved. This is the play. For God's sake, okay, understand. So here, cross over. Please try to understand. See, try to learn. Okay, otherwise, no, I will not come to your cricket game. Okay. I told you, sit. Okay, with attention. Here, for example, these are the 4 possible games. Okay, so situations of the game. We want to interchange. For example, the Ashad playing tricks change somewhere. In the middle of the game, I said, Ashad, you should stop. Now Syam can play the game. Or Syam, you should stop. Ashad can play. Then of course, result can be different. Okay. So crossover. Okay. So crossover. For example, here. And one thing. For example, Syam was playing very good. 2-4-7. Once Syam is losing the score somewhere, Ashad come, okay, stop here. So in crossover, okay, both the situation, if the cut-off, the cut-off point should be the same. Cut-off point should be the same. So in this situation, what I did, I said that here, this point, okay, 2-4-7 is, okay, here, this 2-4-4, okay, will be changed with the 2-4-7, and this will be replaced with the, here, 2-4-4 will be with this one.
Get it, sir. Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this will be changed, okay, somewhere there, and the change, okay,
2-4-7
of the change like this. basically class, okay, I explain the ideas, you should get it. Okay. Now the question, my son was asking a question at the stage of, okay, where I talked about the intentional supplement of the vitamin D. This is the position, for example, okay, on random basis, or maybe, for example, I want to enhance my strength, I am getting the protein tablets or the protein powder, whatsoever, for what purpose? On my choice.
Yes.
And this is the mutation. I want to mute, okay, mutation of the cell. This is the mutated cells. Are you getting my point? I can change any, for example, 2 chain can be 6. Okay, vitamin 2, in order to increase, in order to enhance my energy. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
I can do this, okay? Computationally, you can do this. So, in the mutations, okay, of course, position will be changed if you will do this.
Okay.
Are you getting the point, Hasib? Now, these 4, okay, what representing the positions I already demonstrated. So, change in, okay, mutation, you change the situation. So, repeat this step. For example, until you are not, for example, I am using the supplements, I am not getting my required energy. As I told you people, I am in cosmetic surgery, under the night, go again and again and again, okay, like Korean girls, okay, to become a diamond star. Okay. So, higher fitness score, yeah, well, average Korean girls, after age of 18 or 20, go for plastic surgery. Almost. Yes, almost. And they are working hard and now they are earning, okay, at least maybe you can say 10 lakh rupee for single. They are saving their money. Parents do not support. Just keep quiet. You people are not working hard. You should not go anywhere. Okay, key points. We are very short of time, my children. Method of representation, okay, I explained these are the, okay, for example, initial population is generated. You are determined that it belongs to cities, belongs to villages, belongs to northern area, healthy people, okay, so fitness function is applied. You are determined it's there, okay, test, okay, by running, by exercising, by whatsoever fitness test. Selection of the parents, okay, you see that their forefathers belong to, okay, good people, good tribes, they are not the bad people, okay, so cross our parent to produce next generation. Of course, then they cross our, okay, for example, I am visiting to some, okay, belong, okay, make a relation with some good family, mutation to bring diversity. As I told you people, in order to bring the, okay, good looking, plastic surgery kind of thing, this is the diversity. Aspects are repeated until solution is reached, okay, maximum. So, here, little bit examples, okay, what's the time, how many minutes left?
Sir, 11:15.
No space. Just please, okay. Suppose in the natural language processing, NLP, for example, you are looking for somehow cat. Please, here. So in cat, there are the buckets of the words, okay? Bucket of word in the, you are observing somewhere the 4 possible words. Bad, car, fog, hat, these are on the random basis. This is the selection, initial population selections, okay? So, among this, if you notice, you want to, okay, somehow get in situation. So what will, okay, here, for example, 3 alphabets, 1, 2, 3. So in this, how many? Only one. One alphabet is there. A. In this, 1,
2, sir.
2. In this, 0. In this, 2. In this, 0. Because you also determine the location position. Here, if there is A in the middle, here A at the last. That's why Ashad won the game, okay? You should also notice the location position everywhere. Okay, now among the 5 possibilities, what we need to set the percentages. This one is the 20%, this one is the 40%, this one is the 0%, this one is the 20%, 40%. This one is the 0. See, my children, now it's become 100%.
Yes, sir.
So, now the situation is this, you need to select the maximum again, okay? So which one? One is the car, another is the head. Car and head. So car and head. Now on choice, okay, you are okay on choice. You can see here. You are considering what? You are considering CA from here and T from here. Yes, sir. Then you will get a cat. Yes, sir. This is the natural language. Yes, please. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yes, sir. ABN.
Yes, you can consider. It's your, as I told you, on your choice.
Yes, sir.
And I already discussed on your choice. Clapping for Anika. Okay, let me allow me to conclude. Okay, please time is short. So, if we are considering the example of DNA, okay, you can say no need to. Should I stop?
You can.
Sorry, just I want to finish it. Please don't mind. As I told you people, the purpose of this, just can you please stop for a while? Just 5 seconds. I can discuss it, you will speak. Okay, this is the theme, okay? So, complex problem, our target focused optimizations, possible solutions, all the possible solutions, okay, from the survival of the fittest. If you are not getting a good grade, your survival will endanger. Let me tell you the truth, okay? So, for example, among the selection of the people, of course, every country has the good people, bad people, okay? You cannot say that the good, but the purpose is that if you are the good citizen of the Pakistan, you want to make all the population like you people, like the Canadians, the Americans, they are the bad people, but the possibility, they are segregated, they draw a line between the good and the bad. And what they will do, they will try to change, okay, try to alter the bad people into the good people. And their dream to get a good population. So, but technically this is absolutely this happening really difficult. So maybe some people still look like okay pious and the rich, but they have the bad intentions. So situation like this can there. Yeah, you people are too bad. Yeah, time is short, my children. Otherwise, I can teach you again next lecture, okay? Then phenotype means this is the raw data. Mean for example, now you people are, though you have the diamond and the stars, but until you are not polishing by good study, you will not become a diamond star, okay? Shining star. So you are raw. Okay, in code, how you need to study hard. Then you will become a genotype, then you will have a good genes of the study, okay? Then, of course, during the exam, you will decode, you will display what are you, okay? Then again the process, if you will not perform good, then you will go again to this process for getting the good grades, okay? So, until you are not getting a very passing score, very high score, you can continue for, okay? For getting the job interview, you go once fail, again fail, pass, I think, okay? Yeah. So this is another example. For example, there is some of your friends, you are sitting in some city and he is, okay, no connection. Everywhere there are roads. So some friends are there, they will try to catch him. Okay, well, how will you, they will, of course, they will make some kind of a network, okay? For example, the position draw 1 2 this is the road, okay? You can say the bus stops are they can connect via any possible routes. If I'm talking about routes, the shortest, I'm applying the Pythagoras theorem. The shortest from this to this point, okay, this point can be captured somewhere. This is the 2 to 7 is the shortest possible route. Then, okay, so 9.7 miles, somehow like this. If you can consider the possibility, all the possibilities, you need to check it out. So the start from the, you need to, route 2 start from this and go to this one, and route 3 you can start from this. There are the certain possibilities, I will not try. Okay, you are not, okay, so this one, many possibilities. Route 2 can also have this, okay? Certain possibilities. For example, I can go to Haripur, come to this, okay? If I'm coming from Islamabad, I can use the motorway, I can use the Hanpur. There are the certain possibilities to follow route. So, stability examples. For example, first time you construct some kind of a robot, of course, the first generation, like our laptop, okay? First generation not very good, second generation better, okay? Third generation better also. Fifth generation, like, all you get away, they are improving, they are optimizing, okay? Optimizing the batteries, optimizing the, okay, GPU, CPU, everything like that. So, here please, very simple example for understanding. Last year, you can never forget the genetic business concept. So, bag luggage, for example, there is a bag, you can carry 3 kilograms in this bag. There are certain, okay, your belongings, okay. So if you want to put all of these, okay, for example, let me check the weight, okay, if this is somehow weight of each and everything, then you should not go exceed after 3 kilogram, okay. You need to maintain, but if there is very little, then it does not make very sense. But you need to optimize somehow, okay. Let me here. Okay, if I say I want to keep in the bag, then okay, for example, the mobile phone is very important. Okay, pad is not okay, cap is not okay. So this one, the ticket, okay, laptop is important. Okay, so some candy or water. So okay, you can keep. Okay, here these. One put in the remaining things are there. Are you getting my point? Yes. So binary computer understand the binary language. So the system there. For example, this is the one bag. You make the one bag. But if you want to combinations, you want to change the combination. Some of you said that okay, cup is very important. Some of you cap is very important. So certain combination can be done. Okay, can be made. So this, and of course each, okay, this one, as I told you people, these values belong to the thing, okay. Then if this bag, each bag will contain, okay, different, okay, values of the code, okay, binary language code. So my children, of course, okay, for example, fitness test, okay, if you are summing up all the values of the weight, okay, you can check out. But sometimes, okay, weight can be exceeded, but this is the fitness. Okay, fitness, in case of fitness, this is the bestest possible fitness. You can see that easily can be done. Okay, but problem is this, weight limit is 3 kilograms. You can also carry maybe only empty bag or maybe okay 50 gram or less. It's also everything is possible. Okay, so like this weight of the thing. Technically, purpose is this: you need to optimize. You need to check out the bestest possibilities, the essential, the most important thing you can keep in your bag and left. Okay, so there are the certain things I will share with you. You should go through.
Okay, sir.
Just okay, just a little. Okay, finishing movement you do not allow me. Still there is a time. I need to make the flow chart, but in the next class I will do. But today, okay. Yeah, this is the last. Okay, last. Okay, just please. This is the very good. Okay, this is the genetic. I'm going to use the Charlie. So
Since last
please keep quiet. Everyone keep quiet.
On the show that started it all, you record the
yes, sir.
Okay, here, what is this about? They will, I told you people, there are certain applications of the genetic algorithm, composition of the music, say from the raw data, okay? So there are many things, but just this is then one example application of the genetic algorithm, how they can compose music. Okay, Stan, can you please upload, increase the because I promised with some of my students that there should be a movie, so I. Okay. Now for a minute, please keep quiet. Okay, thank you. Okay, just please.
on the show that started it all.
इसका is it
Slide show and calling in around.
इन डॉट्स पे हसना ना चाहिए
Next करो हो जाएगा.
पूरा संजय आना चाहिए
आगे. Okay, keep.
From bear with us for a second. Okay, so I'm gonna record. This is what I do on TikTok. I'm gonna do it on the show that started it all. You record little. That's it. Wait, hold on. There. Ooh. I like the little. Okay, so here, take that. You can put that down. Got that. Okay. So here it is. Can we get sound? Ooh. That's here. Play that again. This is. There we go. So I can put it. There's the sound of the glass, but if you pitch it down. So that's just one note. I feel like I'm teaching all of a sudden.
This is like a master class. I love this.
So this is what that sounds like here. Ooh, we got reverb. Too much. Wait. So I can, okay, so that's one layer, and I can add a little rhythm to it. Again, that's the cup sound. Okay, and then we need like a bass or something. Dun, dun. Oh, I'm not done. Okay, so that's looping. Again, these are all just cup sounds pitched down. If I put a kick drum, then you have a completed. There you go.
That's how you do it right there!
From the raw data, okay, are you getting the point? So you can become a shining star if you study hard. You can develop each and everything.
Yes.
Okay, good luck.